La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, la belle époque. Pour me champagne, love me insane. Flowers and chocolate in a color that matches my bonnet. Oh no, it's not a test, only the best. Belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, la belle époque. Airplanes with my name and dinner at restaurant Le Maurice. Oh no, no, it's not a diss. I only drink fizzy fizz. Oh, oh, throw me a kiss. Belle époque, oh oh. Sweet belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. Hello friends, I hope you are having an excellent day or an excellent evening wherever in the world you are. Today it's a very cozy, crispy but also a little bit sunny day, and of course it's weekend day. As you see, I'm in my greenhouse, but I have been working, actually we have been working on my greenhouse because I don't know if you remember. If you don't, then go and watch my previous videos in which you can see my greenhouse. The color of this greenhouse was gray and it was very dark and old, and I asked my husband if he could help me to change the color. So what happened, he has been working like in a row, 5 days in a row, and then he changed the color. And also we did some, we didn't have any lights here. We bought a light from IKEA, but it didn't work out, so we ended up again to put, I'm looking at, because I really love what we did. I put again some fairy lights, but this time it's more, the density is more than the previous fairy lights. And also I hang some objects that I had, like I bought from the different countries, but you are not going to see my plants yet inside because it has been raining a lot, and the weather outside is really nice. And so I decided to put my plants outside to get a little bit sunlight, although this greenhouse has a lot of sunlight. But the little bit wind, the little bit everything, the fresh air. So they're outside now. Speaking of, I'm gonna give you a quick garden tour because nowadays my garden is very beautiful. There are some flowers, I have some fruits. Today we are going to maybe pick some apples and also some grapes that you can see literally from my greenhouse. You can reach out and get some grape. It's really beautiful. Yeah, and today also I'm planning to prepare, I'm planning to create inspiration board. You know, some people call it like inspiration board, some people call it motivation board, manifestation board, dream boards, whatever you call it. I'm gonna create this today, and this is the plan. Just stick around. It's very cozy day. Even maybe today we can maybe light up my fireplace. Who knows? We will see.
La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, la belle époque. little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to some